G'day.
Friends and esteemed colleagues.
Bleep, obviously.
I'm gay.
Howdy, gang. Welcome back to A Tad Overcooked. I got my investor over here, and they've invested in a dessert recipe today. So thank you. Hats off. Thank you very much for your investment. So we're making a salted caramel popcorn creme brulee.
Wow.
And it's going to be off chops. So as always, first things first, we're going to get our oven on. So again, a new oven. I don't know what I'm doing. So we're going to put it up to 100 degrees, and that's it. And then we're going to do, oh God, let's go fan bake. So unfortunately, today's liquor of choice is tequila. I'm not really bitching because it's free, but let's oh, that's terrible. Righto, vanilla bean, fresh. So we're just gonna slice into one side of the vanilla bean. We're gonna fold it open like so. And then we're gonna get all those fresh vanilla beans out of there like that. We're gonna get the whole vanilla bean in there as well. So that's gonna help add in that extra flavour. And then we're gonna go 750 of milk. Yeah! And we're gonna go 250 of cream. 1002. That's 1000 plus 2. Alright, and then we're gonna get, maybe not hot, maybe hot, maybe not hot. Just let your cream come up to the boil. And milk. Okay, so we need 200 grams of egg yolks. Egg whites, you just want to keep in this one. Shift them to the side, get all your egg yolk in there. And we're gonna do that for 200 grams. So we got our 200 grams. 200 grams. Sorry. So all your egg whites here. You can stash them away for later use. You can use them in an omelette, in a frittata, pancakes, whatever you want. You can make a meringue, provided you don't have egg yolk in them. 200 grams of caster sugar. Let's go, come on, what are you doing with your life?
90% of the time, I have no idea what the fuck I'm talking about.
Yeah. Plus cork. And we just want to add in a bit of water to that. And that's going to help it caramelize. So you want the consistency of wet sand. And then we're going to chuck it on high. So our cream and our milk and our vanilla has pretty much come up to the boil, so we're going to take that off the heat, like so. We're going to get on a fry pan. We're going to chuck that on high. What you want to do is you don't want to whisk it, you don't want to touch it with a wooden spoon. You just want to move the pan around, let the water and let it sort of melt down. You don't want to hit it with a whisk, you don't want to hit it with a wooden spoon, as I said, because it's going to crystallize.
You're missing valuable plot points.
Alright, so we've got our pan heated up. We're going to add in our
I can't kernels.
Add them into a hot pan because we're going to caramelize them. There's probably about 100 grams. Nice. Okay, so what we want to do as well is we want to add it's probably about a tablespoon of salt. So our popcorn's starting to pop now. Basically we want to keep it on really hot heat. And then what we're going to do is chuck it straight into our cream, like that. As you can see, our caramel's starting to get a bit of colour. So it's starting to get very brown.
Bruh.
So what we're going to do is I'm going to take it over near this sink.
Uh-oh.
And then
We're gonna get a whisk. We're gonna whisk it.
we're going to make sure that that caramel mixes all nicely with the cream.
Hey, it's me, Fred Durst. I like to do the nookie. Bye.
I like touching my pee-pee.
Okay.
So we're going to strain off the cream, strain off all that deliciousness into our egg mix. I'm going to whisk it. We're going to put it in our ramekins now. So we're just going to ladle a bit in there, like so. Fill it up to the line.
Ow, this burns my
Peripherals. Jeez.
Oh my
Gosh damn.
Ow!
This, ladies and gentlemen, is how I make my French toast. So you just grab a piece of bread and you clean up whatever's around your bench. A French toast. Alright guys, so it's been about 35 minutes, I'd say. It's almost, there we go. Just a ding for extra effect. Okay. Alright, so they're out of the oven now. So they're pretty wobbly, which is what we want. So basically they're still cooking. We've just taken them out of the oven. They're going to keep cooking for a while. So what we want to do is we're going to chuck them in the fridge for a little bit. And we're going to let them sit in the fridge for a while, just to cool them down. And then we'll plate them up. Alright, so I'm running out of sugar here guys, but we'll add our caster sugar onto there. And there you have it. Alright, so it's time for my investor to try what we've made.